During World War I, Germans unleashed the Paris gun, a massive long-range artillery piece that could shell Paris from an astonishing distance of approximately 75 miles. This iconic weapon symbolized the technological advancements in warfare during that era. The sheer power and range of the Paris gun struck fear into the hearts of many. Its devastating impact on the city of Paris serves as a chilling reminder of the destructive capabilities of human ingenuity during times of conflict. The Paris gun's role in the war not only showcased Germany's military prowess but also left a lasting mark on the history of modern warfare. The legacy of this formidable weapon continues to captivate historians and military enthusiasts alike, shedding light on the brutal realities faced by soldiers and civilians during one of the darkest chapters in human history. As we reflect on the Paris gun's historical significance, we are reminded of the profound impact of technological innovation on the course of warfare and the enduring lessons it offers for the future.